Hello, my name is Ana Doak and welcome to Nanay Anay! Well, today's video, I'm going to share to you guys one of the favorite snacks of my children, a healthy granola bar. And then this is not only favorite snacks of the children, I love this too, especially when I'm breastfeeding. This is like my go-to snacks. If in the middle of the night I'm so hungry, I would always go for this one, this recipe. What I'm gonna be teaching you now is just like really the basic granola bar, and then you can actually tweak this recipe. You can add whatever your preferences are, and then for my family, this is the ingredients that work really best for us. So yeah, so to start this, you have to preheat your oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. So yeah, so let's go preheat our oven. Okay, so what are the things that we need to make our granola bars? So we need our baking dish. Okay, we need some baking dish. I like to use this 9 by 13 baking dish. If you don't have a glass one or a ceramic one, you can also use a metal one. Yeah, that will also work. Okay. You need some mixing bowl, and then we need some oats. I prefer the whole rolled oats because they're better. Also, 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour. I also like to use flax seed. This is already like ground. Okay, so this is the one that I'm using. And then we also need a cup of honey. So a cup of honey. I prefer to use honey. And then we also need some nuts. So we're gonna chop this up. So yep, so just roughly chop the nuts. Yep. I like to add nuts on my granola bar because I really like to add more protein, more protein to the snacks of my children. This is also like good present to if you want to go visit a mom who just gave birth and is breastfeeding her baby, her newborn baby. This is a good thing to bring to them, because they don't need to do anything, no preparation needed, and then all they have to do is just like eat it whenever they're ready. So yeah, just roughly chop the one. We're gonna mix that later with our mixing bowl. Another thing we need also vanilla. We need some vanilla extract and baking soda. We also need some butter. We would also need some chocolate chips. I don't have chocolate chips, but I'm gonna use this chocolate bar that's 70% dark, and then I'm gonna just like chop them up, add this to our granola. I don't usually add chocolate chips that often, because if it's for the children, like for usually chocolates is just a treat for my children, for my family. But then sometimes when I have to make these when I have to make a big batch and give it also to my friends who just gave birth, I like adding chocolates, dark chocolate, because dark chocolates also can increase milk production. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. We need to lightly grease our baking dish. Okay, you can also line this one with parchment paper. That will also work, but I really don't know where's my parchment paper. So just lightly grease that one and also the side. So let's set this aside. You need a big mixing bowl. We're gonna add all our ingredients together, incorporate them all, and then we're just gonna mix it and put it in our baking dish. It's really that easy. Let's start adding all our dry ingredients. Maybe the flour first, this one, that one. We need a teaspoon of this baking soda. So yep, just mix them. And then we mix this one like that. And then before I would add the nuts, I would add first the wet ingredients like the honey. Add the honey. There you go. just 1 cup honey. So we had to add 2/3 cup butter, softened butter. Okay, so you gotta let your butter sit on the counter until it's room temperature, so it's soft. Okay, and then let's also add now our vanilla extract. We need a teaspoon. There you go, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, the beauty about making granola bar is you can really be very creative about what would you add. What would you add to your mixture? Some granola calls for oil. I like butter because it's very tasty. Okay, and then this part also, usually we add dried cranberries, dried blueberries, or raisins, but today I ran out of those. So today, we're just gonna add strawberry jelly. So I'm not gonna be precise with the strawberry jelly. I'm just gonna add a dollop of this organic strawberry jelly we got from SNR. All you have to do is just mix this one up. We add the strawberry jelly so you can have some fruity taste to it. You can also add chia seeds. We also like to add chia seeds, but right now we run out of chia seeds. Then after you put this one, you add your nut and also add your chocolate. And then you just continue mixing it. You can also, like at this portion also, you can also add your raisins, your dried cranberries, or your dried blueberries, or your dried tropical fruits like dried mango or dried pineapples. Some recipe also would call for brown sugar. If you want to use brown sugar, you can also do that. You can also use muscovado, but we're just like our family. My children doesn't like really the taste of brown sugar in their granola, so they just like the honey. Or if you also have maple syrup, you can also use maple syrup. So yeah, that's it. So now it's incorporated. Everything is like mixed thoroughly. After that, then we just have to press it down in this baking dish that we prepared a while ago. So just dump the whole thing. There we go. Now press it down, okay? You can also add desiccated coconut. I've also tried that before. And then mix it with pineapples and mango so you can have like a tropical vibe to your granola bar. I really like using parchment paper because the parchment paper, when you take it out, it's so easy to cut them up. And then you can really like make like the granola bar that you can buy from the store. And then you can wrap it in a saran wrap or wrap it really like fancy way. And then you give it to your friend who just gave birth. I think they will like that one. I mean, so far those people that I've given that, they really like it. There you go. Now, we put this in our oven we cook this in our oven for 18 to 22 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay. So let's put it in the center rack. And there you go. Okay. Close it. And then set the timer for 18 to 22 minutes. The granola bar is in the oven. We already set the timer. So to those who leave a good feedback on my tutorial about the food that I prepare for Tatay, thank you so much. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna try to make more videos about Nanay teaching you guys on certain food that our family really likes. Okay, so the timer just went off. So now we're gonna go check our granola bar. So let's go check the granola, see if it's golden brown. Okay. Yep. Okay. So now our granola bar is done. See that? It's perfectly brown. So we just have to let this cool down. You can start flexing them up while they're still a little bit warm. I'm gonna just leave this here, and then tomorrow my children will eat these for snacks. So yeah, so I got their snacks covered for tomorrow. So Wisdom asked me if she could try the granola bars. Okay, so we're gonna try this one. Oh boy, there's some chocolate. There you go. Take a bite. I want to see.
I will try it.
Yuppie. What do you think?
Tastes good.
It tastes good? You like it?
It kind of tastes like chili.
Thank you so much guys for watching our video for today. I hope you learned something new, and I hope this granola bar, your children will really like it and will enjoy it. Your family will, I hope your family will enjoy it. You know, if you have any healthy snacks that you also wanted our family to try, leave us a comment in the comment section and I would love to try them out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to get updated also of our family here in the Philippines, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get updated of all videos of Nanay and I. We post weekly videos every Wednesday and Saturday, 6 p.m. Manila time. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate you. Bye-bye.